Hello everyone, this is Taros Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Virgo. Okay, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Virgo. What are the messages? What are the changes are coming into your life? Okay, in the month of October 2020. So, spirits guides, please let us know that what are the messages for the Virgo, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Virgo. Okay, really nice. Okay, please check out your Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign. Okay, if the reading is does not is applicable, means the message is even the single message is not applicable for you, then please check out your Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign. Okay, so for the October 2020, you are getting some message or opportunity from someone who is having water in their chart, like a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. And in the October 2020, you will be very intuitive. Okay, you will be very intuitive, and you are growing spiritually, but still there are some growth even is needed. Okay, and that growth is just like there is a curtain behind the high priestess. Okay, and below behind that curtain there is a very abundance, means knowledge. Abundance in the sense you will get the very like a very big amount of big knowledge, high level of knowledge, high level of abundance, wisdom. Okay, and you will grow spiritually. And right now this high priestess is in the door. Okay, you have to be intuitive, you have to be tuned with yourself, you have to be listen your intuitions. Okay, then only you will able to connect with the God, and you will get the abundance, the knowledge, the wisdom. Okay, all the things. Okay, you will grow spiritually. Right now you are focusing on your intuitions, and in October 2020 your intuitions will guide you in very good things. Okay, in very good path that will bring you the clarity, that will bring you the clarity, and that will lead you in the form of Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is the uh, Queen of Wands. See, you can see the glory on this gown of the queen. You will be shining like a star. Okay, this is the Leo card. It in your chart strongly, you will be shine like a star. Okay, your sun is going to arise, whatever the problem, negativity in your life is going to be end. Okay, because see the Knight of Cups, in the past that person has been offer you in the form of small offers. Okay, apology or any offer which will fulfill your dreams, desires regarding your job, regarding your relationship, regarding your finance. Okay, and that person is now coming with the solid offer. Okay, because the page has been progressed into the king. Okay, and that king is again offering you the passionate love connection. Okay, and this will fulfill your desire, this will fulfill your dreams. Okay, regarding your marriage, regarding your love life. Okay, they are ready to give you the offer of love. Okay, they are going to propose you. And then again the one Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person, I think some of you, it might be you. You are in your power, you are in your dignity, you has been abundant, you are abundant in the sense not only in the prosperity, it is always in the knowledge, wisdom, love, compassion. Okay, you will be abundant, you will feel abundant. Okay, so this might be your energy, this is the your energy, and this person is coming to you. Okay, so and some of you, this might be your ex, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. That person from your past is going to come into your life. Okay, and you will get the two offers. Okay, you will get the two offers. Some of you, this message is like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, this is your energy. Okay, and this person is coming to you. And again the Queen of Wands, this person is again seeing you as their half. Okay, so they also want to give you the clarity, even though past some miscommunication, misunderstanding has been happen in both of you, but they are you have to take a decision very wisely, intuitively. Okay, focus on your intuition, whatever what your intuitions are telling you, because you are getting you are getting the offers of love, you are getting the offers of commitment, you are getting the offers of expansion of your career, but you just have to be intuitive. Okay, you have to be take a wise decision on this connection. I will pull the clarifier for the King of Cups. Okay, sorry, King of Pentacles. Please clarify, universe. Please give the clarity why the King of Cups, King of Pentacles is here. Okay, the Justice. Okay, yeah, past person. Yeah, again the Knight of Wands. So past person is going to come to you. Okay, and in the bottom of the deck is the Hangman. Okay, so the I told you, so past person is going to come into your life. They are giving you the again the offer of love. Okay, so they want to give you the offer again. They are apologizing you, they are giving, and the karmic justice is going to be happen over here. Cycles clarified by the Justice and the Knight of Wands. Okay, so I hope you are able to see the cards. Yeah, so Knight of Wands, that person is coming with the high speed, with the high passionate connection with you, and some of you are facing some legal issues, you want to divorce with this person, but the universe is telling that for those who are in the separation and want the separation legally, so the justice in your favor. Okay, justice will be served, because some that person has been hurt you, that person has been broken your trust, that person has been put you on the stagnation, there was not progression your connection, there was not any passion in this in that connection. So universe is now telling you, you have to take a choice wisely. Okay, intuitively, what you want. Okay, what your souls want, because universe has been given us the birth, but not for the face again the bad relationship and hurtful people in our life. Okay, we also have the choice, and universe is now with you. They are telling you, you have to be your right is to be happy in this life, in this lifetime. So you are free to take your decision with your intuitions. Okay, you will get, and in October 2020 you will get the clarity, you will get the clarity what to do and what to not do. So and this decision, whatever your decision, it will bring you the high the sun. This is the sunflower, so your sun is going to be arise. Okay, sunflower, lion. Okay, so you will be where you have you have the strength, you are the queen, you are a shining queen. Okay, people are admiring your beauty, people are admiring your abundance, people are admiring your love, compassion, they are giving you a lot of respect. Okay, and the again, so this is the cat. Okay, cat over here, the cat is the symbol of luck, so luck is in your favor, justice will be serve you, but you again you getting the again new offer of love. Okay, other rather than this person, you will again getting the offer of love, so you will find the clarity, but you have to be focused on your intuition in the October 2020. Okay, so we will take the messages from the unicorns card. Okay, unicorns oracle deck. What are the messages for the Virgo, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Virgo? Okay, King of Unicorns, manifestation and the freedom. Again the card of freedom. So universe is telling you, let the unicorn set you free. Okay, God helps those who help themselves. You have to be help yourself, then only the unicorns also help you to free. okay, because unicorns also want to, I just now told you that universe has been give us the life, given the life, they just for the good things, not only for the bad things. Yeah, bad things are happen in our life, but still we have our way to find the clarity and be happy, be in a high vibration, enjoy our life. Okay, we have right. So universe is with you, universe is giving you the justice, universe is giving you the karmic justice. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, but you have to be intuitive in the, even though you want to go with this past person, but you have to be very clear cut communication with them, which you what you want from them and what they are doing with you. Okay, and some limitations, some restrictions, means not as in restriction, but some boundaries, healthy boundaries in your connections. Okay, so because you will be also, you should be also happy in that connection. Okay, so universe is telling you, let your unicorn set you free, because universe is also want to be, you should be happy in your life, you should enjoy your life very happily. Okay, so 10 is a card of completion. Okay, so your tough cycle has been completed. Okay, then the next card is manifestation. Again the 1 plus 9 is 10. So your completion, whatever the bad situation in your life and going on since a long time, they have put you in the stagnation, the relationship was in stagnation, some of you, they are not getting the commitment, even though you are in very long term relationship. Okay, but there is a no higher level of commitment in this connection, but universe is giving you, universe has your back. Okay, so don't worry about it. So the manifestation, focus on your vision beyond yourself and unicorns will help you out. Okay, focus on vision. Okay, beyond yourself. Right now you are not able to see this offer is coming to you. Okay, for some of you, those who don't want to be in this past person. Okay, but there is a new person is also going to come into your life, even though you are not seeing right now, but deep down you also knows that even though cut you this person out from your life, you are deserve the best, and the best is going to come into your way, because you are intuitive, because you are intuitive. And the manifestation is going through you, means like we are manifesting the things sometime directly or sometime indirectly. So indirectly, you know, in deeper level that you deserve the best and you are manifesting it. Okay, so you just have to be faithful and trustful. Okay, you should show the trust on the universe, on the god, that whatever the god is planning for you, it will be the best and you deserve the best. Okay, so the again the next message is the king of the unicorns. King of the unicorns is telling you that you are blessed with the mastery, vision and power. I told you, because you have power, you have wisdom, people are admiring you, people are giving you lot of respect, because you have power, you are the queen, you have power, vision, compassion. Okay, so you can do anything, nothing is hard for you. Okay, you are the queen. Okay, for those, this is not the gender based reading, it might be king or queen. Okay, please take the messages wisely according to your situation. Okay, so unicorn, you universe is with you. Okay, you are blessed with the mastery, vision and power. You can come out of this stagnation if you want. Okay, see again the bottom of the deck, the next card is the world. World is the one tough cycle has been completed and you are right now coming, you are ready to come out of your comfort zone, because you was stuck in the past these things. Okay, even though this was very toxic relationship, even this person was very toxic for you. Okay, but right now you are in the October 20, you will find the clarity, you will be intuitive, you will be find your power back. Okay, and you will able to come out of your comfort zone. Some of you, you are traveling abroad, you are changing your location of living. Okay, you are changing your place of job, work, career, you are changing everything and you are coming out of your comfort zone. You are ready to explore yourself. You are you was anti-socializing yourself, but now in October 2020 you will able to see the, you will be participate with yourself in the society in the functions. Okay, so really good news for you. So please let me know in the comment section if the messages are resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates and more videos. Okay, take care, bye bye.